Hello and welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we're finding the indefinite integral and we need to check the result. We have the integral of the secant square of theta minus sine of theta d theta. So let's distribute the integral. We'll have secant square of theta d theta minus the integral of the sine of theta d theta. Okay, so let's remember for a second here on the right side that the derivative of the tangent of theta is equivalent to the secant square of theta. That being said, the integral of secant square of theta is tangent of theta. So we have tangent of theta minus, and the integral of the sine should be negative cosine. Okay, we have negative cosine of theta plus our constant of integration c. We'll have tangent of theta plus cosine of theta plus c. Well, let's verify this by finding the derivative. I'm using the prime as the operator for the derivative. So the integral of the derivative of the tangent of theta will be secant square of theta, and the derivative of cosine of theta will be negative sine of theta, and the derivative of the constant is just 0. So we'll have secant square of theta minus sine of theta, which is our primitive function. All right, thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you.